Hey, if you wonder how you can sign out of the Netflix account on your PS5 Slim, unfortunately there's no option to do this. So the only way, you just have to uninstall this application, then install it back and set this application for the first time with a new account. So how it looks, you have to click on the PlayStation button and then go to the home, go into the settings in the right upper corner. From here you have to go to the storage, now go into the games and apps. From here, select your Netflix, go to the delete, tap to confirm, click OK to completely get rid of this application from our PS5 Slim. And from here, we have to download this application one more time. So go for the all apps in the media, scroll down, select the Netflix, tap to download. And when it's downloaded, you just have to basically log in. Open this application and log in with your account by scanning the QR code or simply input your data manually. So for sure I'm going to show you how it looks, but just wait for the download. As you can see, it's almost finished. We are around 78%. And if you wonder if there's issue with the Netflix, so the answer is no. And the PS5 Slim, there's also problem with the Fortnite and other games that you actually cannot sign out of your account. So now click start to open the Netflix. Wait for the loading screen. And as you can see here, we are able to sign in with the new account. And we've got two methods. We can actually use the QR code scanner on the phone or go into the netflix.com TV9 website and input this code. Or we can use remote, so click with the right arrow, click X to confirm, and here you can input your mail address and the password like you did previously, and you will be able to use your account. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.